fuck was that? What was that? That's all I need. Bloody rag and bone man or something shouting shit outside. Anyhow, either way they're here. And I can't stop burping. I've just been drinking coffee. Oh, fucking hell. Just hope that geezer doesn't start shouting again. Anyhow, yeah, got some no Spectrum. I've ordered another one. It's probably going to take a week. It's probably going to take a year. I don't know. It's coming. Another one's coming, and that's good. That's good. I'm chuffed. Eh? Listen. He's coming here now, for fuck's sake. I got nothing, mate. Nothing. 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 Fucking hellfire. He's got a bloody megaphone with him. I've got games. Honestly. Fucking hell, that's shit. Trying to do a little pissing little fucking YouTube video. Gee. I'll go rip the fucking megaphone out of his hand. Anyway. Got some games for you to look at. Who the fuck? What the fuck? It's his van. Right, anyhow, yeah, games. Very excited. Here we go. First one, I'm not a big football fan. I'm not even going to pretend I am a football fan at all. I've played a few games football wise on the old Intellivision. That's going back. 35, 30 odd, something like that, years. Awesome. I'm going to get one of them, but they cost a fortune. I can't believe it. I had two of them in the past. So yeah, I'll get one of them. I miss Lock and Chase. Brilliant game. Anyway, first one I've got for you is oh god, Gary Lineker's Hot Shots. Look at his little head on there. Look at that, eh? He must be what, 10? These are big boxes as well. I wasn't expecting them to be so big, but so they don't go next to me other ones, so doesn't matter. But yeah, Gary Lineker's Hot Shots, the most realistic football game ever produced. 11 aside, throw-ins, corners and goal kicks. It sounds about, it looks like sensible soccer, something like that. I wouldn't have to put little things if you can see that. If you can see them, but it looks a bit like sensible soccer. That's probably the only football game I would play with sensible soccer. But yeah, 1988, brilliant condition. It's got little Gary Lineker's Hot Shot instructions. More writing. But yeah, it's for the shelf. I'll have to have two rows now. One with normal little tape size tapes and those big chuffing big tapes. Show that last. That's the one. The reason I bought this bundle. That one. We got Buck Rogers. This looks like it's really 1983. This is. But the graphics look quite good. Used with joystick or keyboard. One player cosmic combat. That's what we need. Planet of Zoom. Sega. Bloody hell. The Sega one. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, look, that'll be a good one to have a go on when I get me second Spectrum. Awesome. Yeah, so Buck Rogers, Planet of Zoom. Did I show you that? Can you see that? Awesome. This one's in hell of a shit condition. I don't know, I think it looks like it's fossilised. Bit yellow. I might have to take that, I'll show you the cover. High Frontier. It's really shitty, the case, I'll take that. It's busted anyway. High Frontier, there you go. That's a bit nicer. Don't know what it's about. What is it about? A war game it is. The most controversial defence policy this decade. Known variously as SDI, Star Wars, or Reagan's. Strategic defence game. It looks like what do you call it? Thingy bob. You know, that thingy. Oh, come on. You know what I'm talking about. You know, war games. Remember that? War games. Looks sort of like that. That might be good. 1987. We'll have a bit of that. Probably die before I get a chance to have a go on any of this stuff. Bought a belt for me dat tape thing. It's too fucking big, isn't it? What a dickhead. So we're going to get another one of them. Oh look! The Untouchables. It looks really pretty good. I can't even believe that Spectrum graphics. I'm staggered. Take on the Mob. The Untouchables. Ocean. Got a tape in it. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the graphics there. They're pretty good. They're not bad, are they? Probably says not for this system or something, but I can't see it. But yeah, that looks like a good, well, I don't know, graphically good game. It's probably shit to play. Well, this was another one I was looking for as well, so I used to have this on the old Amstrad, and this one on the Amstrad. We've got Combat School. There's the old Colonel Thingy Bob. Shouting, barking his orders at all these geezers. Shoot! Run! Duck! Chin up! All that sort of stuff. And that's basically what you do on the back. Shoot, run, duck and chin ups. Oh, and arm wrestling, I remember that. Bloody arm wrestling. Yeah, so that would be a good one for bringing back the memories. Bit of quality. I like it. I like a little bit of quality. And this one, this is the reason I bought it. It says £1.50 on the front, but I didn't pay £1.50 for it. It's, I'll take that sticker off actually, you're not going to see his face. I'm removing the evidence. Bear with me. Ooh, he's nasty. Right, there we go. Ooh, green beret! Look at that, green beret. You remember Green Beret? Absolutely brilliant side-scrolling game. There he is. Tape looks alright. These aren't as yellow as the ones yesterday. It could be a bit tatty, but there you go. Look, Green Beret. Fantastic. I am looking forward to it. See, I saw that. Thought, oh, got to have a bid on that, haven't I? Like £1.99 on it for all this, plus £3 postage. You can't have that much fun, surely. It should be legal for bloody £4. How am I supposed to get this back in here now? And this is cracked. Oh, get in here, twat. Do it after. Do it after. Anyhow, Green Beret. Yeah, so I've got another Spectrum ordered. And, as I say, a couple of weeks. Get that on. And have a razz on it. Once I've, you know, done a bit of collective, I'm going to get myself an amp. I'm going to get myself all the old stuff. Have it all stacked on my fantastic walls. And bask in the glory of old school computing and consoles. But yeah, Well, that's what I got so far. Sorry about the idiot shouting before. That's the way it is around here. You get them shouting for batteries. You got any batteries? Yeah, I've got a fucking shitload of batteries. Do you want to take the one out of my car? Fucking hell. Madness. Anyway, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. It was, you know, it can only get better, can't it? It'll get better than this. I think. It's got to get better. Got to. Anyway, I'll see you soon, I'm sure. And got some more stuff coming. So I'll see you soon anyway. I'm not going to waffle on. That's just the way it is. I can't stop waffling, talking crap. Anyhow, I'm signing off. Bye bye.